The 5 Best Mechanical Keyboards of 2023. 1. Razer Black Widow V3 Pro. Razer's Black Widow is one of the most popular mechanical keyboards out there, and the V3 Pro is the latest incarnation of this model. Available with Razer green, yellow, or orange switches, the Black Widow V3 Pro is the perfect mechanical keyboard for anyone looking for a durable keyboard with good response and a robust design. 2. Logitech G915 Lightspeed. Logitech's G915 is a high-end wireless mechanical keyboard that offers an excellent typing experience. Featuring Logitech GL switches, the G915 Lightspeed also includes dimmable RGB backlighting, a USB Type-C connector, and a rechargeable battery that can last up to 40 hours. 3. Corsair K60 RGB Pro. Corsair's K60 is a mid-range mechanical keyboard that offers good response and a robust design. Available with Cherry MX brown and red switches, the K60 RGB Pro also includes adjustable RGB backlighting, a detailed number pad, and anodized aluminum base. 4. SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL. The SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL is a high-end mechanical keyboard that is optimized for gaming. Equipped with Cherry MX red and brown switches, the Apex 7 TKL also includes Zone RGB backlighting, a detailed number pad, and an onboard memory module for saving game profiles. 5. HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. HyperX's Alloy FPS Pro is a mid-range mechanical keyboard that is optimized for gaming. Featuring Cherry MX blue switches, the Alloy FPS Pro also includes adjustable RGB backlighting, a detailed number pad, and a rugged design.